Either the flowers are daisies, so let's say P is the event that they're daisies, or they are not roses. Let's write these up to the side. P is daisies, or Q is roses. The flowers are daisies, or they are not roses. So we're supposed to find something that matches this statement here. Okay. In order to match, you should be able to make a truth table, and the truth value of this statement, whatever it is, true, false, false, true, I don't remember off the top of my head, that should match up with whatever statement we translate up here. So this one says, if the flowers are daisies, then they are roses. So the word then is implying the conditional statement here. P implies Q, so we need to draw an arrow. The flowers are daisies, then that means they must be roses. That's P implies Q. So we could check that real quick if we make a truth table. P and Q. So skipping ahead, just filling out the truth table here. There we go. So P implies Q. That's true if P is true and Q is true. If P is true, then Q is false, then P doesn't imply Q. That's a false statement. Now, if the first statement is false, it doesn't matter what the second statement is. Automatically true. Right? Now, let's see if that matches up with this statement here. P or not Q. So, P is true. Doesn't matter what not Q is going to be, because with the or statement, we just need one or the other. It doesn't have to be both. So, P is true. This is automatically true. So, look, right there we can stop. This statement here, this statement here, is not going to match the initial statement, the P or not Q, right? So we can scratch that one out. If the flowers are not daisies, so not P, then is the conditional. Then is a conditional statement, so we need the arrow. Not P, then they are roses, then they are Q. So here, let's finish doing P or not Q. P, not Q. So P, not Q. Both of them are false here, true here. Okay, we just converted this to a statement. So we need not P implies Q. So that is, we need to know what not P is. It's just the opposite of P. So false, false, true, true. So if the first part of the conditional statement is false, then it doesn't matter what the other one is. So these two are true. This is true, and then this is true. So not P does imply Q, so that's true. And look, that doesn't match the one that we're trying to target, right? This is the initial statement we're trying to match up. We got a true for this row. So that's not what we're looking for there. So this is out. The flowers are daisies, so if they are P, then they are not roses, then they're not Q. So let's check that one out. We need to know what P implies not Q looks like in the truth table. So if P is true, then not Q has to be true. That's false. We can scratch that one out, right? Because this is the target row. This is the target column. We have a false for our first statement, so it doesn't match in the first row. If the flowers are not daisies, then they are not roses. So that last one, not P implies not Q. So not P is false. That means it doesn't matter what not Q is. This is true, and not P is false, so that's false. True implies true. That's true. Look, this one and this one match. So this is our solution, okay? This is the same statement as this statement up here. We just found out that the truth value for this is the same as this up here. So that's our correct answer, the bottom one.